Hello, I'm Butch Adams, and today I'm going to let you look over my shoulder as I verify my vanity domain, AskRoanoke.com, and my brand new install of Office 365. This is the P1 subscription, otherwise known as Office 365 for small businesses and professionals. One thing you're going to need to know about the steps we take here: if you currently have any production mail servers or websites in use with the domain that you're going to verify, you need to expect some downtime. Even if we perform all the steps exactly right, the possibility's there. So don't get started with this without planning to be down for some amount of time today. Okay, from the main screen of Office 365 portal, let's click Admin. In the left-hand column, find Domains. In the center of the screen, find Add a Domain. This brings us to the Specify Domain page, where we will type the name of the domain that we are interested in verifying now. When we click Check Domain, we should get the domain confirmation with the correct registrar information down here at the bottom. Click Next and we'll be taken to the screen of information we need to do the verification. At this point, we leave the Office 365 portal and go to the application that you use to manage your DNS. Now, there are as many ways of doing this as there are web hosts and domain name registrars and so on. The information you'll need to have at hand is where to go to add a TXT record to the DNS for your domain. So I'll just scroll down to the bottom and go ahead and add my text record. Go ahead and change this time to live to like 60 seconds so that it'll repair itself quickly if we mess up. I'll come over here and copy and paste the exact information. Let's go back and get the domain name. I like to copy and paste just to guarantee I get everything exactly the same. Notice here I'm going to add the period at the end of AskRoanoke.com. That's very important in many of the web applications for managing DNS. After we have added the text record to our DNS server, we need to go back to our portal and scroll down to the Verify button and click it. We'll wait on the Verifying Domain dialog. And when that dialog disappears, it doesn't look like much happened, but if you scroll back to the top, you'll see that the domain verified and that we now need to change our domain's name servers. I'll just pop into my registrar's application, but this is another place where you'll have to check on your own registrar's procedure and take care of this yourself. Now again, I'm a big copy and paste fan, and the two name servers that we need are right here under step 3 in the portal. So we'll copy and paste both of those right out of the Microsoft portal. Do a little housekeeping on the cut and paste. Save it. And that's about all we can do here. We can verify that the names are spelled correctly under name servers on my screen. It'll be slightly different on yours probably. And that's it for changing name servers. After the name servers are updated, we'll just need to go back to the portal and click Next. We'll get one final screen that this update could take up to 72 hours to finish, but typically it should be ready to go in less than 24. Go ahead and click Finish, and we're all done with the Add and Verify a Domain task of Office 365.